Building a single-page website in Squarespace is simple and can be done by following these steps. Log into Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Select Create a new site or open an existing site you want to convert into a single-page website. Choose a template. Choose a template that supports a single-page layout. Many of Squarespace's modern templates are designed for one-page designs. If you're starting from scratch, select a minimal template and customize it. Set up sections. On the Pages tab in the Home menu, click plus to add a new page and select the blank page option. You will now build your website by adding sections. Each section represents a part of your content. Add content. Click on each section to add content blocks such as text, images, buttons, or forms. Organize your sections in the order you want them to appear on the page. Add navigation links. Create a navigation menu at the top linking to each section. Use anchor links for smooth scrolling between sections. Customize and publish. Customize the design and styles using the design menu. After finalizing your site, click publish to make it live.